it's Wolf BMX, and today we're going to be doing a bike check on my 2017 We the People, so here So further ado, let's get this bike check started. Okay, we'll start off with my frame. I have a 2017 Reason We the People frame. Pretty sturdy, hasn't broke on me yet. The sprocket, it's a 25 tooth Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. My cranks, they're just 170 millimeter kink cranks. Just come stock with the kink. I got Odyssey pedals. I know, a little dirty. Ride my bike every day. I got a half link chain. Pretty sturdy, hasn't broke on me yet. Keep it nice and tight. On the left side of my bike, I'm running two metal pegs. I wouldn't be able to tell you what kind of pegs they are. I've had them for such a long time. On the right side, I'm running two plastic pegs. I'm not sure what brand they are either. But on the rear, I am running a Freemix Primo Free Coaster hub, left-hand drive. Always got a grind on the right, I'm running stock fit tires, 2.4, roughly, Colt forks. For my stem spacer, I have Shadow Conspiracy stem spacer. Then I have the Kink BMX, like the stock stem that goes with it. Then 9-inch rise Kink handlebars, which is also stock, and blue ODI grips. You got a little bit of sand on them. Ride every day. I got the Odyssey seat. I forgot what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. Switch it. This is my parts wall. It's just another normal sprocket. Got a couple of sprocket spacers. Brakes. I also run no brakes. There's the Odyssey free coaster. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. Just want to say thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my videos, and I would really love if y'all guys do that. Show me some support. I'll show you some support. At 100 subscribers, I promise I'm going to be doing a 540 until I get it, 540 fly out. So let's get this done, guys.